Question number 1. In the opposite Venn diagram, the value of x is space. X is the first number and y second number. We can find the value of x by product all prime factors. Then x will be 3 multiplication by 2 equals 6. And y will be equal to by 5 equal 10. So in the opposite Venn diagram, the value of x is 6. Choose letter C. Question number 2. The median of values 9, 4, 8, 1, and 3 is. First step, we must arrange all the values here from least to greatest. Okay, or greatest to smallest, as you like. Okay, and then choose the number which lies in the middle. We have here 1, 3, 4, 8, and last one here 9. We have 9 and 1 and 8 and 3, 2 in the left hand side. Then the median here will be equal 4 because 4 lies in the middle between all the values. Okay, the result will be 4. This is the median of all values here. Okay, choose letter B. Question number 3. 8 squared. 8 squared, it means 8 power 2. 8 squared. 8 squared equal 8 by 8 equals 64. Okay. Question number 4. The range of the six value 9, 4, 6, 1, and 7 is what? We know the range will be equal greatest number subtracted by smallest number. For all values, we have the greatest number here 9 and the smallest number 1. Then 9 minus 1 equal 8. The difference between greatest number and smallest number, or maximum subtracted by minimum. Question number 2. The base subset of the number 0, 0 is belonging to natural number. Okay, 0 belonging to natural number. Choose letter C about question number 5. Question 6. Which of the following is not a solution of n greater than 15 or 1.5? Okay, you want to find which of the following is not a solution of n greater than 1.5. Which is the not solution? We know 2 greater than and 2.5 greater than, 1.9 greater than, but 1.9 not greater than 1.5. It will be equal to this number, so don't choose 1.5. Next question number 7. 3 over 4 subtract by 1 over 2 or 2 over 2. We know 2 over 2 it will be 1. It's the whole numbers. And 3 over 4 subtract by 1 over 2, it's meaning 3/4 and half. If we have 3/4 here, 1, 2, 3, and we will cancel half, cancel this part, then the result will be from all whole ones, it will be 1 over 4. Then 1 greater than this fraction. Then whole number here, 1 greater than fourth. Okay, so you must choose the sign less than, then the result will be less than 1. Now question number 2. The verbal form of 2x plus 3, we can write the product of 2 and x, 8 to 3, or 8 3 to the product of 2 and x, or twice x, 8 to 3, as you like. Okay, so I will write this result, or you can write again twice x increased by 3, as you like. Okay, then we can write 8 3 to the product of 8 3 to the product of twice x of a twice x. Okay, or 8 3 to the product of 2 and x. Okay, understood? 8 3 to the product of 2, you can cancel this and write a product of 2 and x, as you like. It's true. Or 8 3 to the product of what? 2 and x, or you can write the product of twice x. Question number 2. The greatest non-positive integer is 0. We know 0 is non-positive and non-integer. Question number 3. The integers between -4 and 2 are, we can write -3 and -1, -1, 0, 1, and stop, okay? Because you want to find all number lies between -4 and 2. We have -3, -2, -1, and 0, okay? It's a solution. Now, question number 4. The rule is multiply by 4, where x is the independent variable. If x equal half, then y will be equal. First, we can write the rule here about this example. The rule here tells us multiply by y. Multiply by y, and the independent variable here, x, okay, then y, we can write multiply by 4, then y will be 4x. It's the rule about this example. This expression, he tells us in this example, multiply by 4. X here, we called it independent, and y dependent. And then he won't find the value. Okay, y equal what when x equal half? At x equal half, then y will be equal 4 multiplication by x. X here equal half. 4 multiplication by half, it will be equal 2. The result will be equal 2. Okay, then the result about question number 4, it will be 2. It's the value of the expression. Next question number 5. Absolute value of -1 and 4, -1 and 1 over 4 divided by absolute value, no, not absolute value here, okay, 1 over 4. Again, absolute value of -1 and 4 divided by itself, because it will be positive, then the result will be 1, and 1 over 4 divided by itself, and we know any number divided by itself, it will be equal 1. Okay, the result will be equal 1. Question number 6 here. If x plus 3 equal 5, then 3x equal space, we know x plus 3 equal 5, it's meaning x equal 2, because 2 plus 3 equal 5. Then 3x, it's meaning 3 multiplications the value of x equal 2. Then 3 times 2 equal 6. Then the result here will be 6. Okay. Question number 7. The independent variable in the equation about question number 7, we have 5l minus 3 equal m. We have the equation. He asked about what? Independent. The independent here, it will be L. Okay, right? L the solution about question number 7. Question number 8, you want to find the result about here 15,015 divided by 15. We know if you want to find the result about an example question here will be what? First step about this example, look at left hand side. We have 15,015 divided by 15. Look at with me, 15 divided by 15 equal 1, and 0 divided by 15 equals 0. 1 divided by 15 equals 0, and 15 divided by 15 equal 1. Then the result will be 1001. Okay, it was question number 8. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. Number 1, we have here 3 multiplication itself 4 times. 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. We know it's meaning 3 power 4. Okay, you can write 3 power 4. We called it what? 3 power 4. Choose letter D. Okay. Question number 2, which algebraic expression is the equivalent to 10x plus 15? Okay, look at with me about 10x plus 15. We can write the highest common factor between two numbers, 15 and 10. 15 and 10, the highest common factor between them, it will be 5. We can write 5 outside, and 10x divided by 5 equal 2x. And 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Then the result will be 5 multiplication by 2x plus 3, because 5 here we called it the highest common factor between two expressions. Question number 3. So the result here will be letter A. Question number 3, 2 over 8 or 0.5, which greater? We know 2 over 8, we can simplify it by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. 2 over 8, it will be 1 over 4. It's a fourth. Fourth equals 0.25. It will be 25 hundredths. and we have 0.5. We must put 0 here. It will be 50 hundredth. 50 hundredth greater than this number. Question number 4. 48, okay, plus base equal 16 multiplication by space plus 2. In this example, we will use distributive properties. We know 16 times 2 equal 32. Then we can write here the result will be 32. And 16 multiplication by what? Equal 48. 16 times 3 equal 48. Then the result here is 32, and in this space we must write 3. Then the solution about this example will be 32 and 3. Choose letter A. Question number 5. From the box bullet here, the upper quartile here. He wants to find the upper quartile. We can find the upper quartile from box bullet here. Look at its upper quartile. This part, this number, it will be 16. 16 is the upper quartile, but lower quartile it will be 10. Okay, and minimum is 9 and the maximum 17 and the median is 13. So in this example about question number 5, he want to find what? He want to find the upper quartile. The upper quartile it will be 16. Choose letter D. Okay, next question. Question here number 6. We have values here. You want to find the mode. We know the mode, which digit or the number greatest repeating, the more repeating here, 7 7 7 7 7 7. Okay, then the mode here it will be 7. Choose letter A about question number 6. You want to find the mode about question number 6. Okay, the mode will be 7. Choose letter A about this question. Understood? We called it the mode. We know the mode, it's meaning which number the most repeating. The most repeating here 7. 7 repeating 4 times here. Then the result will be 7. Choose letter A about question number 6. Question number 7. Like terms. The like term is in the expression 1 plus 5a plus 5b plus 2r space. You want to find the like expression, it will be 1 and 2. Choose letter B. Okay, it's like term is here. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Students have collected 36 bags to cheese and 48 grain bags to make baskets. They will make the mini baskets for possible with no items left over, and each basket will have the same number bags of cheese and the same number of grain bags. Okay, letter E. What might of expression 12 multiplication 3 plus 4 in parentheses, or 12 product of the sum of 3 and 4? 12 times the product about 12 and sum of 3 and 4 mean in items to basketball bags of cheese and grain bags. We have here 12 is the number of baskets, 3 is the number of bags of cheese in each basket, and 4 is the number of grain bags in each basket. Okay, do you know what does this mean? He give us in the example 12 and 3 plus 4. First we have cheese and the grain bags. Okay, we have 3, it's meaning 3, we have 3 cheese and 4 grain bags at 12 boxes. Okay, we have the total 36 bags and 48 grain to make baskets, so we have 12 baskets. Do you know this example? Again, we have the total number here. In this example we have 36 of cheese and bags was 48, and we want to distribute equality to how many boxes? It will be 12, because the greatest common factor between two numbers 36 and 48, it will be 12. Then we will have 12 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And in each one we will put here 3 cheese and 4 greenbacks. Okay, 3 cheeses and 4 greenbacks in each one. Understood? It shows the greatest number of baskets and the number of bags of cheese and the number of greenbacks in each basket. Do you know? It's the result. Letter B. Why is expression 12 multiplication 3 plus 4 helpful when representing this solution? I will write, if I choose the greatest number of baskets, it will help me to choose the greatest number of baskets and the number of bags of cheese and the number of grain bakes in each basket. Okay, next question. Question number 2, solve. Question number 2 here. Solve each the following equation. Letter A, 5t equal 20. We want to find the value of t here. 5 multiplication by what equal 20? We know 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Then t here will be equal 4. It's the result about this example. Question letter P. We have 7 plus z equal 17.8. We can find the value of variable unknown here z by add the additive inverse of 7 to right hand side and left hand side. Then 7 will be, z will be 17.8 subtract by 7. Then z will be 10.8. It's the value of z. Question number 3. Write an equation, use the variable x and y where x is independent. Write the equation, multiply by 8 and 8 3. Substitute if x equal 4. Okay, first step, we can write the expression here, left hand side, right hand side, and write between them equal to write the equation. We know the equation contains of two expressions, and write between them the sign equal to. And he give us the rule here. He tell us multiply by 8 plus 3, then y will be equal multiply by 8 will be at 8x add to 3. Okay, y equal 8x plus 3, where x equal 4, evaluate y. At x equal 4, then y will be what? Put x equal 4 here, then the result will be 8 times 4 plus 3. Then y equal 8 times 4, it will be 2. 2 plus 3 equal 5. The result will be 5 about this question. Question number 4. Using the following Venn diagram to complete the two numbers present in the Venn diagram here. First number, we can find it by multiplication or prime factors of this number. About the first circles to left hand side here, 3 and 3 and 5. And choose the second circle, we have 5 and 7. So the first number will be 3 times 3 times 5. 3 times 3 equal 9. 9 times 5 equal 45. Then the first number will be 45. And second number will be 5 multiplication by 7. It will be 35. It's second number. We have two numbers here. Then letter B, the greatest common factor between two numbers. We can find it from this part, intersection between two circles. It will be 5. And question letter C, the least common multiplication of two numbers, it will be what? It will be 3 by 3 by 5 by 7. 3 by 3 by 5 by 7. 3 times 3 equal 9 and 5 times 7 equal 35. The product of two numbers here will be what? 5 times 9 equal 45. Write 5 and carry up 4, and 3 times 9 equal 27 plus 4 equals 31. The result will be 315. Okay. Letter D. Are the two numbers irreducibly prime numbers? No. Why? Because greatest common factor between them was 5. Okay. If the greatest common factor between two numbers equal 1, So we can call them relatively prime numbers, but in this example we have 5 here. 5, we called it the height common factor between two numbers. If this part empty, you can tell this example yes, you can tell him yes, okay. But in this example we have the greatest common factor between two numbers is 5. Then the first number 45 and 35, not yes, yes, okay, not relatively prime numbers, because the height common factor between two numbers not equal 1, okay.